Creative Voices Productions.
The voice of creativity. Visit www.creativevoices.com.
Ako si Richard Sarmiento, aka Rico Pañero ng 90.7 Love Radio. Kailangan ba yung memorize ang vision na to? Ayan, actually, I'm so proud. I'm one of the VoiceWorks Batch 15. Marami lang ulit ang makaklase ko kasi asa radyo na raw ako eh. But of course, iba pa rin yung dubbing world. Sa ibang studio, ibang tao ka na when it comes to dubbing. So it's very important na magkaroon ka ng explore ka, continuous learning dito sa mga pamamagitan nito.
I wasn't expecting to have fun. Because I was the youngest nga, and everyone was like older than me. And I was thinking, paano ba ito? Paano ako magka-cope? I'm the youngest, and ganyan. Pero, throughout the workshop, it showed na age doesn't matter here. Kasi I was the youngest, yet I became one of them, I became their friend.
My name is Fred Santos. All of the instructors and facilitators, they're the best at what they're doing.
Hi, I'm Yani Ishikawa. The whole class was fun, including the classmates, the teachers, and to say the least, it was very enlightening. And the teachers were all willing to share.
Mas nalinang yung abilidad namin kung paano ba gamitin yung boses namin. Hindi lang para pampayabang, hindi lang para, wow, ang ganda ng boses mo. Kundi yung voice as an art, tulad nga ng sinasabi niyo, yung craft na talagang laging ginagamit ng bawat tao. Kasi paggamit to para communication. Although, kaya mo kipag-communicate non-verbal, sabi nga ni Sir Choi, pero yung verbal, yun pa rin talaga yung mas nananaig.
And I'd say, ang maganda dito sa VoiceWorks, Creative Voices, VoiceWorks, holistic siya. Hindi lang siya dubbing. Hindi ka lang nila tinuruan na mag-dub. Tinuruan ka rin nila kung paano magsulat para sa dubbing. Tinuruan ka nila kung paano umarte ng boses lang. Tinuruan ka nila kung paano gumawa ng iba-ibang boses.
This is one of the best going back to school thing I've ever did. It's so enjoyable. It's a short course, but malaman. Super malaman siya. Minsan nga when I read the books, I say parang kulang ata yung 8 sessions kasi you'd like to learn more.
Noon, kasi may stage fright ako eh. Pag maraming tao, ang tendency na parang maangatal ako, tapos kakabahan ako. Tapos nung sumali ako dito, naalis lahat yon. Kasi lahat kami, sa ayaw mo sa hindi, sasalang ka sa mic, wala ka talagang magagawa, may improve yung self-confidence mo.
What I learned here, ang dami mong matututunan dito. You learn so much from the experts in the field, the masters, sila Sir Danny, Sir Neil, Sir Alex, no?
Nag-enjoy ako most kay Sir Alex kasi parang medyo hands-on siya eh. So, dun medyo masaya.
Ako si Joanne de la Cruz, ayan, batch 15. Kahit man sabihin na DJ ka na, marami ka pa rin hindi alam. Lalo na ako, hindi ko alam kung paano ko paglalaroan yung boses ko. So, when I first entered dun sa loob ng classroom namin, syempre medyo kinakabahan ka pa, tumatak sa akin habang nandun ako. Yun nga, kung paano mo lalaroin yung boses mo. Parang sa isang tao, mayroon kang 3 klaseng boses pala na pwedeng magawa.
This workshop really brings out the talent in a person. May pagkakataon na hindi natin alam ang sarili natin potentials. But with these seasoned teachers, directors, they were able to point out the strength.
Gusto ko rin nabigyan kami chance na makita kung paano mag-dub sa ABS-CBN. Kasi ibang classmates ko, nakuha na. Tapos, yun, masaya lang. Parang, it's worth it.
I learned a lot from this workshop, but more than I could possibly thought. And I appreciated it all. Because of this, I actually learned to be less nervous. So I enjoy being in front of people and doing stuff.
Before, isa lang akong typical na hair specialist. Sa customer service kasi ako yung humaharap sa mga complaint. And like ngayon, parang mas gumaan na yung pakikipag-usap ko sa mga customer. Kasi parang na-adapt ko na yung pagdadub. Kasi sa tono pa lang, yung mga timbre ng boses mo, kung paano mo kakausapin yung isang galit na customer, makukuha mo na eh. Kaya nakatulong siya sa akin.
Lahat ng facilitator or trainer, most of them or all of them are directors, no? Iba-iba sila. So may makukuha ka from each and every trainer sa every class, every Saturday na magagamit mo in the future kung ikaw ay sasalak na or for audition.
Nabigyan ako ng inspiration. Nagkaroon naman ng ideas about the use of craft, the use of art through voice acting.
I thank all of them for sharing their, willingly sharing their knowledge to me, because you don't get those kind of information readily, or kahit na sabihin mo, there's internet, you don't find that what I've learned here in Creative Voices.
I like po yung approach nila na they teach you without parang putting you down. So, mas natututo po kasi ako ng pagkaganon. I'm glad that I found this opportunity in this class. So, super thankful ako.
Mga napulot ko dito, siyempre, disiplina na alagaan mo yung kayamanan ng boses. And pinaka-importante, treating yung voice acting as an art.
So we're inviting everyone to give yourself a chance to have fun and learn here at Creative Voices.
Kasi super fun talaga to, and marami kayong matututunan, mauubos yung confidence nyo, yung speaking skills nyo, and all.
You will learn a lot from the workshop, and the most important thing is it's fun.
You want to have confidence and all that, dito kayo pumunta.
8 sessions ng punong-puno na maraming activities.
It's not just another workshop, but it's something that's different. Change your world.
Join us kasi you will really learn a lot and you will develop this connection. Yan, sabi ko, try nyo. Super exciting. You learn a lot and sobrang you
You can get so much more simply by joining.
VoiceWorks is fun and full of learning.
It's really a fun, fulfilling experience, and you won't regret.
Enroll now in VoiceWorks Workshop.
Again, ako po si Rico Paniero. Rekomenda itong VoiceWorks kung saan hindi lang pang pamilya, pang sports pa, pang mahal pa, diba? Pang lahat-lahat na. Kaya naman, enroll na para maging masaya.
So again, ini-invite ko lahat ng mga aspiring dubbers, sa mga estudyante, sa mga of all ages naman to eh. So pwede kayong mag-enroll. Definitely enjoy ka. Marami kang matutunan. It's really fun and interesting.